We can let July just be July. Let the sun hang in the sky. Clear your mind of all the things you're waiting on. Let there be a second you forget all the work you still have left. 'Cause tomorrow's just a little later on. Later on. Later on.
Ayan, so maghanap tayo ng sapatos ni Yashi. Labas ako mag-isa. Tapos nag-i-snow sa labas. So, good luck. Good luck sa atin. So, mission accomplished guys. Nakabili tayo ng snowshoes ni Yashi. So, sana magamit niya to bukas. Magamit namin to sa kanya bukas. So, nice.
Hello guys, papunta kami ngayon sa Audrey Park. Ang sobrang lamig dito. Ay, ito oh. Tignan nga natin to, Ben. Ito oh. Ay, pares lang. 999. Lamig. Ang lamig.
May try, no?
Wala. Bakit sa taas? Masarap dito? Ha?
Bigat ni Yashi.
Sarap dito.
Baka ba meron mo?
Leather.
Ano sabi mo?
Masarap dito. Ganyan, pasok-pasok lang tayo minsan.
Pasok lang. Pasok.
Mama.
Mapuntos ka dyan. Kukulayan pa yung pag
Sobrang lamig. Sakit na ng kamay ko. Naninigas.
いやいや、写真はさっき前の方は有方さん一緒で、写真が決まって、動物園の到着時間は。You can see the swimming pool here, which is inside of the Daisy National Park. This whole Daisy National Park are bigger than the whole Tokyo. Here, the last month original snow is like this high. Snow is like this high, you know. One of my coworkers are living there. He take one video. We were just walking inside the snow, like swimming. Swimming. The snow is like this high.
他一边走一边扭屁股啊。
Yashi!
Get more, get more. Wow.
Oh my god. Let's make Olaf.
Baka dagiin yun.
Lamig. Ah. So cold. So cold. Let's make Olaf. Here. Look, Yashi. It goes.
Ang kulit kasi ng mami. Ang kulit. Gawa tayo marami oh. Nice like one.
Dapat pinakinggan ko na yung sarili ko eh.
Uy! Uy! What happened to your shoes?
Right?
Here. Can we go there? Yashi, Yashi, look! Another!
I told
Ay, another
you I
Yashi!
can do it. I told you I can do it. Ay!
Big turn of events guys. Na-cancel yung flight namin. which is Sapporo to Manila. And ayun nga, unfortunately na-cancel siya, pero good thing na pinilit ako ni Irish na mag-book ng insurance, and then covered yung hotel namin for today ng insurance. Kasi nag-decide na kami mag-book agad kasi medyo nahihirapan kaming kumuha ng sagot when it comes to Cebu Pacific, kung sasagutin ba nila yung accommodation, yung taxi. Pero yun nga, kinonta ko na agad yung insurance, which is sinagot naman nila agad na covered naman. So nagulat ako kasi yung nabook naming hotel sobrang laki. As you can see, sobrang laki nung hotel, 4 yung kama. Medyo rush booking kasi to kasi so paubos na kasi yung mga hotels na marapit sa airport, kaya binilisan ko talaga mag-book. Kaya ito yung nabook ko ngayon. Which is nice naman kasi ang laki. Yasha, let's go to 7-Eleven. Yasha, let's go. So yun, hanap kami ng pagkain ngayon kasi gutom na kami. And hopefully, sana may makita kaming pagkain.